The letter. The letter. The letter. Some things are better left unsaid.
Bakit kaya niya ako iniwan?
Some emotions kept.
I'm sorry, hindi ko nasabi sa'yo how much I loved you before. Sobrang mahal kita, and I even let you go.
Mga mabibigat na saloobin na hindi madaling sambitin.
I hate you. You ruined my life. You ruined my life.
Pagmamahal, pasasalamat, pag-alala, o simpleng lihim na pagtingin.
Alam naman natin pareho na hindi pagiging magkaibigan yung kinikilos natin. Pero yung pinapadama mo sa akin, yung kinikilos mo towards me, it's more than that. I can honestly say na I love this person.
Don't keep it to yourself any longer. You have a friend in Papa Jack. The letter. The letter. Sulat na.
Watching the shadows burning in the dark, and I'm in love, and I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my own.
Ang paggawa ng sulat para sa mga taong naging bahagi ng ating pagkatao ng ating buhay, mga taong nakakapekto sa atin, masaya malungkot ang epekto nila sa atin, ay ang isang paraan para gumaan natin pakiramdam. If you're going to write a letter for someone, make sure that you are writing a letter and you will be really honest with how and what you're going to say. Sa aking pakiwari mga kaibigan, ang paggawa ng sulat ay isa po sa pinaka matapat na paraan para maintindihan at malaman, mapagtanto, mawari kung ano talaga ang ating estado ng emosyon. If you've got anything and a letter for someone, gawa ka ng sulat, share mo sa aming website, www.loveradio.com.ph, and who knows, mabigyan daan natin yan. Pero kung hindi, basta ang sulat ay galing sa puso, mabigyan daan yan o hindi, ibig sabihin, nagawa na niya yung dapat niyang gawin. Gagaan niyang pakiramdam mo. And tonight, our second letter is a letter, mga kaibigan, coming from Joseph, a letter going out to Michi. Joseph is 28 from Naga. Si Michi naman ay 24. Nasa Taiwan ngayon. At yung sulat nito mga kabisyo ay short but sweet. So, pakinggan mo natin ang sulat ni Joseph para kay Michi.
TLC.
True Love Conversations.
The letter. The letter. TLC. The letter. The letter. The letter.
Sabi na sulat ni Joseph for Michi. Dear Michi or Mitch.
The letter.
Darling, kamusta ka na? Alam ko nakikinig ka, sana marinig mo ito. Alam ko, I'm not a sweet person or a boyfriend, pero gusto kong mag-thank you sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa akin. Yung pag-iintindi mo, pag-aasikaso sa akin pag magkasama tayo. Lahat ng yan, which namimiss ko. Mahirap pala mapalayo sa'yo. Darling, I'm really sorry kung minsan nasasaktan kita. Sorry, hindi ko sinasadya lahat ng ito. Hindi ko kayang sabihin ng harapan sa iyo kasi nahihiya ako. Mitch, darling, mahal na mahal kita at miss na kita. Miss na kita. Sana hindi ka magbago. Happy 3rd anniversary. Mitch, darling, I love you. Loving you always. Joseph.
I can feel you calling. There's no place that I'd rather be. Just here with you, sleeping. If only in my mind. Until then I'll sleep.
Ay, nako. Well, yung sinulat sa atin ni Joseph para kay Mitch ay isang normal na proseso nga lang naman pag nagmamahal at minamahal ka ng taong alam mong most of the time at nangangarap ka, mabigyan ka man ng napakaraming choices, siya pa rin yung mamahalin mo. Normal na pagsubok lamang yan. It's a good sign for a person like Joseph na inaamin niya hindi siya sweet but he took time to write a letter just to say thank you to Mitch. And I'm sure ma-appreciate niya yan. Kung alam mo hindi ka sweet and then all of a sudden sasulat ka sa radio station and then you're telling everyone, letting everybody know na mahal mo yung girlfriend mo which is Mitchie, I hope she will appreciate this. I know she will. Joseph and Mitchie, 3 taon na ito. I hope you don't put it to waste at sana you'll be able to spend every day of your forever being together. I'm playing a song of Firehouse para sa inyong dalawa, Waiting Love of a Lifetime. Yung mga pagbati ko mamaya, no? After ng song na ito, batiin natin yung mga yan. In the meantime, I'd like to dedicate a song kay Joseph and Mitchie. Sana'y magustuhan ninyo. Ano po? Tawag na dali 832-61-71. Pero pag nasa labas ka ng Maynila, may toll free tayo. 1-800-10-100-5683. Good morning! I'm Papa Jack and here we go.
I guess the time is right for us to see. We take our time and live our lives together day by day. Make a wish and send it on a prayer. We know our dreams can all come true with love that we can share. You, I never wonder, will you be there for me?
don't hold back anymore, because when you think all's lost, there's always the letter with your friend, Papa Jack. The letter. Sulat na.